So this is the 9 feet from that side.
It's not coming out. Can ask him.
Mr. Akon. And they say, I bought the other 2 years. 9 feet board.
9 feet. And it's also open 9 feet.
And they say, actually, hold straight. I better not have the number.
I had no. A rabbit away, so maybe we see Kitu having never count. Intino, you are beside it. Board about cook, ever 2 ways, so. To be the toast never. We are having 1 by 5. This is so. No, we have 9 feet. Inside the level and run an air bar outside the house.
So that would be 9 feet.
See, on the board, we are making 9 feet in the room. Do 9 feet in the end. Let's say try the same 9 feet per cent. All right. We are not the board. I also say all right. We are about 10 measurements in 9 feet.
Okay.
I almost agree with Mancasa. Pure, Omugua. I did to cry now, Coba, no, born now, we know able. Aye,
it's not an hour.
Aye, by way there, I must make a cool. I bet you tell the Coba a different days, you. Why not any boo?
Yo guys, finally done the first part of the platform. Y'all can see that it has been boarded with the waterproof plastic bag right there. So they will be coming, the mason will be coming to to pour the concrete. But there was still bender has to come first to come here to lay the iron rods and also the beams before the concrete is poured. This is how it is right now, guys. Let's zoom out. That's how it is. We have the 14-inch pillars, 4 of them, and it's being also supported by a couple of bamboo sticks so that can carry the weight of the concrete when it's poured. So you can see those pockets right there on the side. That is where the beam is going to lay. And there's another one on this side, and there's another one here, and the other one on the other side. But because of where I'm standing at, see, I can't easily go over there to show it to you guys. You can see the way it is, and also that's the way it is on the other side as well.
No.
Hello, madam.
I can't say I don't know the way you're going to one other use.
Almost it.
I'm trying to maybe so.
I don't think you do.
I'm more than you are. So I'm just going to sky for the garage.
And I'm so many sisters walking in the world.
Come into a full anymore. Sister, dear,
What did he say?
Outside. The sister in there.
Will they know the size?
I think the one they already pull out is the 16. There is the 12.
Now the steel bender has come to lay the iron rods on the platform and also drop the beams in the pots, in the pockets around in the 4 pockets around the platform. So I believe y'all can see the beams. One is right there. Another one is right there. So that is it over here. One is right in the middle, right at the front here, and the other is on the other side over there. So I also erected the pillars so that the molding guys will come after the mason has poured concrete here, that they will come and extend the pillars up for another second part of the platform. So we're gonna have one tank right here. It's not gonna supply water to the building. It's the second one at the top that will supply water to the building. This will just be as a reservoir, so that will feed the top whenever the top goes down, so that there's no much too much work on the pumping machines. We're gonna have 2 pumping machines, one submersible pumping machine, and the other one, the surface pumping machine, will be right here. But the submersible will be in the borehole, and the borehole is on the other side of the building. Alright guys, we're still on it. I'll keep you guys updated when everything is done. Keep watching, guys. We already started pouring the concrete work on the platform. You can see the mason already started the concrete work for the tank platform, and they're gonna do this. Then the pillar molding guys will also come and mold the pillars. Then the carpenter will come again to board the second platform, and the cycle repeats itself again. Steel bender comes in to do the steel work. The mason comes into part, and that's it. Then we do a banister and a long ladder after everything is done. Guys, we are still on it. We are trying our best to cover as much as we can every time we come to Ghana. So here it is, guys. If we are able to buy the tank, you'll see, the tanks rather, you'll see how that goes, guys. Going outside to see where the mixture of the concrete is being done. It's right here. Yeah, we forgot about that.
But it's still missing, so
Yeah.
I don't know how many will add to that small one.
To that one. No, it's like is it 1 liter? No, not 1 liter.
That's a line.
Yeah, I think it's about 2 lines to 1 bag.
One.
Yeah.
They say something for five cement.
Yeah.
But
So by the time you count the 2 lines into 5, that's 5 cement, bag of cement.
Oh, okay. So I don't know if this one maybe just 1 cement, so they'll pour a little bit, and as they keep missing, they keep pouring.
Yeah, it's just like maybe about 2 caps.
Oh, the yellow caps.
Yeah.
Pour 2 into it.
Yeah.
Into what they have missed right now.
Yeah. It might even be too much, but they can just use that. So, guys, this is what we're talking about here. This is for they wasted it.
Yeah, they did.
Dr. Fix It. It's integral liquid waterproofing compound for plaster concrete. So this is the measurement right here. So 200 ml to 1 bag. I don't know whether y'all can see it. 200 ml to 1 bag of cement. So you can see it goes all the way up like that. So just gonna give this to the mason to add Nkrumah. This waterproofing, you can add just maybe two yellow caps to 1 bag of cement. Is it black or brown? Yeah. You can add 1 more. Because the measurement is there right here.
Okay.
Up to here is 1 bag.
Okay.
And here is 1 bag.
Hey.
So it takes about 5 bags. So guys, this is the final. They finished pouring the concrete for the first platform. Y'all can see. So this is the first platform for the first tank. So we are going to, like said, you know, the guy who is coming to do the pillars, the molding pillars, is going to be here. I think it's going to be a Friday, so that's in 2 days to come do this. Then after that, we have to do another platform. That'll be the last platform, but the carpenter has to come board that one again before it's poured. Alright guys, you just keep watching till we get done with these building project. It's different phases at the time, so you stick by us guys.